Hi YouTube, it's Peter from Peter Lawton and welcome back to another video. So guys, in this particular video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make the fingerprint scanner of your device faster. And fingerprint scanner is one of the most important medium that we use to get onto our device. And as time passes, the fingerprint scanner becomes slower and slower when compared to that of the brand new device. So in this particular video, I'm gonna share two different tips in which you can make the fingerprint scanner faster. So let's get started. Moving to the first tip, it is known as do not keep my activities. So guys, to enable this particular feature on your device, first of all, you need to go to settings. In settings, scroll all the way down to about phone section. And in this particular page, click on software information. And here click on a build number for 7 times to enable the developer option. And also you need to verify your security, either a pattern or pin. Once that is done, the developer option is basically enabled. So go back to settings, scroll all the way down and choose developer option. And make sure that first of all you turn on developer option. Once you turn on developer option, click on the search icon in the top right corner and search for do not keep activities. And you will be provided with this kind of a search result. Click on this particular option and scroll down and enable do not keep activities. So guys, what is do not keep my activities? Basically, when you turn this particular feature on, each and every time when you lock your device, all the background processings automatically get deleted. Basically, the device kills all the processing that is happening on its memory. By that way, the device can more efficiently read the fingerprints, and that directly gives an impact on better unlock speeds. So this is how the do not keep my activities feature work. And guys, as per my research, it's a really cool way in which you can slightly improve the fingerprint scanner's response. So do try out this feature and let me know in the comment section what you guys think. So guys, moving to the second tip, it is also a really efficient way in which you can increase the fingerprint scanner's performance. So before moving on to tip number 2, make sure that you go to developer option and turn off do not keep activities feature that we turned on in the last tip. So make sure that you turn it off, or else you will not be able to execute the tip number 2, that is we will be doing some alteration in the fingerprint scanner addition. So turn off this particular feature and go back to settings, and in settings you need to find out the biometrics option. So basically in the biometrics option you will be able to find the fingerprint scanner settings, and click on the fingerprint scanner settings right there in the biometrics, and enter your verification, that is either a pin or a pattern. And as you can see that I have already added a fingerprint. So right now I'm going to delete this particular fingerprint from my device, and I'm gonna add a fresh new fingerprint by clicking on add a fingerprint. So guys, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna start adding my fingerprint with my right index finger. That is, I'm gonna give a couple of tap on the fingerprint scanner to register my finger. After that, I'm gonna switch my finger to my left index finger, and I'm gonna give some taps on my fingerprint scanner, and alternatively I'm gonna switch between my right and left index finger, so that my both fingers get registered onto a single fingerprint enclosure. So it's a really efficient way, and I'll be explaining why it is so in a minute. So I have completed adding both of my fingers onto a single fingerprint enclosure, and I want to click on the done icon. After that, I want to click on check added finger, starting with my right index finger. As you can see that it is registered as fingerprint 1, and rechecking it with my left index finger, and it is also read as a fingerprint 1. So both of my fingers are registered. So basically, why am I doing this? Each fingerprint enclosure approximately consists of 30 fingerprint images. So basically, if you add 2 different fingerprint enclosure for both the left and right fingers, it averages around 60 to 70 fingerprint images. So each time you unlock a device, your device needs to scan through all these 60 images to find the right fingerprint. So that takes a lot of time. Basically, if you add both fingers onto a single fingerprint enclosure, it actually has only 30 images to scan over. So that can improve the unlocking speed of your device. That is basically what is beneficial if you add 2 different fingers onto a single fingerprint enclosure. And I hope you guys got a basic idea about that as well. So that's it guys, I hope you guys got a basic idea about the different ways in which you can enhance the performance of fingerprint scanner, and I hope that it is a beneficial video as well. So that's it guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys with another video. Until then, bye.